Hi, this tutorial covers a binomial question type. Let's just start by looking at some different variables and thinking about what kind of data would come out of each of them. Um, so if we take a look at number one, gender. Okay, so if we think about what type of data would we be gathering there? So gender, we'd basically be getting, people would either answer male or female if they were asked what their gender was. Question two, status of the last shot a basketball player made. So really there, the basketball player either made the shot or missed the shot. So we would be just keeping track of how many makes and how many misses. Three, answer the question, did an alarm clock wake you up this morning? So if the alarm clock went off and that's how you woke up, you would say yes. If not, if you had the luxury of not setting an alarm clock, you would say no. So your data there would be yeses and nos. And for number four, outcome of a coin flip. So if we wanted to know what was the outcome of a coin flip, it would either be a head or a tail. So all of these variables have something in common, and each of these are what are called binomial question types. And they would all produce binomial question types data. So binomial question type data is a type of categorical data. Okay, that's important. That only has two possible values. Okay, two, and we have that prefix bi, meaning two. So binomial, two categories. Yes/no questions are very common producers of binomial question type data. Okay. So now let's take a look at a couple situations here and see if if these would produce binomial question type data. So number one, telephone surveying a group of 200 people to ask if they voted for President Obama in the last election. So again, we're looking for two categories as possible data values. So yes, this would produce binomial question type data because they would either answer yes or no. Okay, question two. Counting the average number of patients seen at a doctor's office daily. Okay, so if we were to collect data here, we might get 25, 31, 17 would be our possible data values. Okay, in this case, this would not produce binomial question type data because there are really all kind of different answers that they could give here. So this would be a no. Number one was a yes. Number three, you take a survey of 20 traffic lights in a certain city at 5 p.m., recording whether or not the light was red, green, or yellow at that time. Okay, so we do have categorical data. Our options are red, green, or yellow. But this is not binomial because there are three options instead of just two. So no, this does not produce binomial question type data. Okay, and four, you are at a fair playing Pop the Balloon with 5 darts. There are 30 balloons. 15 of the balloons have a ticket inside that say win. 15 have a ticket that say lose. So you'd want to be keeping track whether for every dart thrown, is it a win or a lose. So in this case, yes, this is binomial question type data because your options are either win or lose. So that is the tutorial on binomial question type. Thanks for watching.